What's going on, YouTube? Modeling that back at you with the last part here of the build update for the A-20 Havoc. So, yeah, got this all finished up here over the weekend. So just kind of looking around. Got the decals down. The markings on the wings, on the fuselage, tail markings, all of those went down really nicely. Sorry, I just noticed a little piece of fiber right there. All of those went down extremely nice. The front nose art, though, that was a bit of a challenge. Just did not want to actually conform that easily, so if you do get this, one thing I would recommend is using Microscale Industries Microsol, and just put down a lot of coats of Microsol to get that nose art to bed in and conform. Sadly, it did actually chip off a little bit of the paint, so took a little bit of artistic license with this one. There's one picture of this aircraft that I found, at least, online that shows the entire aircraft. It shows it from a very low angle. Again, obviously all of the paint was there at that time, but I'm going to say that this was, 6 months later. She's gone through quite a few trips down to Australia and back, so got a little bit of damage there on the nose art that just hasn't been touched in yet. Also, as you can see, a little gritty, a little grimy. For that, I had used the sand and, oops, not dark dirt, but the a combinational mix of the brown and sand Flooring Models washes, just to kind of give it that dirty, grimy look. So I really like that. Sand was a little bit too bright, brown was a little bit too dark and red, so just mixed them. But overall, the build itself went really nice. Hopefully you can see. I'm going to try to turn the light on for just a moment and zoom in here. You can see those engines. Went ahead and left a little bit of mist paint here on, just to kind of give it the effect of, chipped and darkened metal just from it sitting. But you can see all of the wiring. Again, I mean, these were pretty nasty looking, pots and stuff like that from the kit, and came out actually looking really nice. So probably if you'd see that, you'd almost think it might have been like an aftermarket engine or something like that. So in either case, let me turn my light off. There we go. So yeah, really enjoyed the build. So this officially starts my Jolly Rogers collection. Again, from this one being from the 92nd Bomb Wing. So yeah, all finished up and ready to go into the case. Not sure what the next build is going to be. Also finished up a small little P-51. I might go ahead and just throw up a video later just showing that one. It's definitely not a prize winner by any stretch. I just had it sitting on the shelf of doom for a while. Wanted to get that finished up as well. Been working lately on the artillery duck. I just wanted to do something a little bit different for myself. So again, once I have that finished up, I'll probably post up a quick video just showing what that one looks like all finished up. Not really a build reveal, but just a just a shot of what it looks like. So yeah, any questions, comments, definitely feel free to post them down below. And once I figure out what the next build will be, you guys will come along for the ride. Again, questions, comments, post them down below. Until next time, see you later. Peace.